about Hurricane Florence. Uh, the danger of a hurricane is the major, you know, the major hazards made by hurricanes are storm surge and storm tide. There's also heavy rainfall and inland flooding, and of course, high winds. The way hurricanes are named, just to review, um, uh, hurricane, right. Hurricanes' names are chosen from a list selected by the World Meteorological Organization. There are 6 separate lists of names for Atlantic Ocean storms, with 1 list used each year. A storm must start as a tropical depression and move on to become a tropical storm before it's given a name. Hurricanes are categorized. This is how hurricanes are categorized. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale is a 1 to 5 rating based on a hurricane's sustained wind speed. This scale estimates potential property damage. Hurricanes reaching Category 3 and higher are considered major hurricanes because of their potential for significant loss of life and damage, such as a majority of the city or country losing lives. Hurricanes are formed. Hurricanes starts as tropical storms over the warm, moist waters of Atlantic and Pacific Oceans near the equator. That's why since they're mostly formed near the equator, they're most of the time not going on the equator to cities that are like on the equator or near it. They travel a bit and then gather up some strength on the way it's traveling, then it hits. As the moisture evaporates, it rises until enormous amounts of heated moist air are twisted high into the atmosphere. Hurricane winds are measured using the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale again. This scale was first developed in the late 1960s, and it was further developed in the early 1970s. So sort of like a 1 to 10 year difference. Not 1 to 10, 1 or 1.5 year difference. It uses measurements in pressure, wind speed, storm surge, and damage potential to put hurricanes into 5 categories. The difference between a tornado and a hurricane is a tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from the bottom of a cumuliform cloud, such as a thunderstorm, to hit the ground. Tornadoes are often, but not always, visible as a funnel cloud, such as some of the pictures showed earlier. As a giant cloud, if you're viewing it from space, it's a giant cloud with a hole like a funnel cake in the middle. It is important to never confuse a tornado with a hurricane or other tropical cyclone. Because tornadoes and hurricanes are very different phenomena. Perhaps the only similarity between tornadoes and hurricanes is that they both contain strong rotating winds that can cause damage. That is my report on Florence. Well, first of all, hope I get a good mark, and second of all, hope you enjoy it. Bye.